In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to tell what Squarespace template a site is using. This handy skill is beneficial for web designers, curious visitors, or anyone looking to understand how a particular Squarespace site is built. Whether you're considering a website redesign or simply admire a site's layout and want to know how it's made, we've got you covered. So let's dive right in. First things first, navigate to the website you're curious about. This could be any site built on Squarespace, and the beauty of the process I'm about to show you is that it works for any of them. Once you're on the site, take a moment to appreciate its design. Is it the layout, the use of images, or perhaps the way content is arranged that caught your eye? Whatever it is, let's find out what's under the hood. Next, you'll need to right-click anywhere on the page. If you're using a Mac, this might mean using a two-finger tap on your trackpad or holding the control key as you click. This action will open a context menu with several options, but the one we're interested in is View Page Source. Go ahead and click that. After you select View Page Source, a new tab or window will open, displaying the HTML code of the website. It might look overwhelming at first glance, especially if you're not familiar with HTML, but don't worry, you don't need to understand everything here, you just need to know how to find what we're looking for. Now, while you're in this tab with the source code, press Ctrl and F on your keyboard to open the Find function. If you're on a Mac, this will be Command and F. This little search box is about to become your best friend. In that box, type in template ID. What you're doing here is searching through all the code for a specific piece of text that will lead us to the template information we're after. Once you type template ID into the find box, you should see a string of characters highlighted. This string is the unique identifier for the Squarespace template being used by this site. Go ahead and copy that string of characters, you'll need it for the next step. Now, with that template ID copied, your next destination is a Squarespace template table lookup site. For this example, we'll use Silverbockis as our go-to resource. Simply click the link or navigate to the website where you can look up and identify Squarespace templates by their template ID. Once you're on the lookup page, find the search or input box where you can paste the template ID you've copied, hit enter or click the search button, and voila, the mystery is solved. The site will display the name and details of the Squarespace template used by the website you were curious about. Understanding the foundation of a website you admire can serve as great inspiration for your projects, or satisfy your curiosity about how certain web designs are achieved. Whether it's for professional knowledge or personal interest, knowing how to identify the template used by a Squarespace site is a valuable skill to have in your arsenal. Remember, the beauty of web design is in how you customize and build on these templates to create something unique. So use this newly found knowledge wisely, and perhaps it will spark some creativity for your next project. There you have it, a straightforward process to unveil the Squarespace template behind any site that catches your eye. I hope this tutorial has been helpful and that you're now a little more equipped to understand the web designs you love. Stay curious, keep learning, and until next time, happy designing.